Hi guys, it's me Fritz, and today we're going to unbox our Misaki-chan Unicorn Hair Color Change 3-in-1 Fashion Doll! Yay! So at the back of the packaging, as you can see, it's all in Japanese. So I can't read it. But it has photos that indicates that you must put a cold ice water with ice cubes inside the magical jar. And there's this stamp that it came with, and there's how you do it. Stamp it with hot or cold maybe. So yeah, so at the side of the packaging, as you can see, there's our Misaki-chan, so pretty. She looks so elegant. And here's her. Oh, it has 4 colors. I guess it's ombre 4 colors. That's so great. So let's proceed unboxing her. I already removed the scotch tape right here, so I could easily pull her out without pausing the video. So there you go. Chajan! Wow! In all of her glory. As you can see, our Misaki-chan is so kawaii, and she the cutest. So she's got a lot of fashion hair accessories. So she got this heart blue comb with this triple star hairpins in pink. It comes with pink, green, and purple. And then there's this blue-green unicorn clips, an ice cream cone with an ice cream on top. It looks like it's in candy flavor. That's so dainty and cute. And here's her pink star pumps. And there's this stamps that we could put in the magical jar. And there's this magical pen. So yeah, so we'll pull her out. Let's continue taking her out of this box. Jajan! She's finally out. Jajan! And Misaki-chan is finally out of the box. Look at those cute pink pumps. So I already got one in pink, purple, and blue. And look at her. She's a fantastic unicorn baby, and they had the same star, metallic star earrings, and the moon shape hair accessory. I can't wait to put this on her. These are like metal, it's cold already. Got 3 designs. Later we'll try the hair color change. So now first, here's the book. It's a manual. There you go. It's our Misaki-chan. You can do those hairstyles on her. And she kawaii. You made it. Let's see if her hair gimmick works. It really works. You're supposed to dab it here. So her hair is currently in peach color. Let's try it on her bangs. Wow, it really works. So this is ice cold water. I'm dipping it to an ice cold water. Look at that. Wow, just wow. Okay, then let's try this down. This is a star shape. Release. Wow. It doesn't look like a star. It's not like that. Maybe in the right position. But yeah, it looks really cute. Loving the color. Just pink is my favorite color. Any shade of pink. So it works. I can't wait to play with her. There's a lot of hair accessories that she came with. Wow. It magically changed. Wow. Kawaii. Wow. Yay!